Hey guys, welcome to my this video. Finally I got my drone and I've been waiting for this moment, to get this thing, and finally I can make more cinematic videos, and my videos will be cinematic and more beautiful. I can take very beautiful place videos, and so you can see this is my place. And guys, and one thing I want to tell you, I was so confused about these things, which drone should I buy, and everything is like, if a person also confused, you will be not happy if you confuse in your life, because you know the value. When we lost something, then we know the value. That is why don't never don't lose that thing, who value for you. And we don't know what thing actually we want, that thing around us, so we can't recognize that thing. So that is why always you will not be happy, if you confuse what thing should I choose. Only prefer one thing, then you will be happy. So my recommend, if you like thing or person, like if you want good relationship in your life, so never compare the person what he has or how he is. If you love that person, always go for that one. And also thing also, I was so confused about two drones, so finally I decided this one. And after getting I was thinking, oh, I should go for that one also, like that. And it has happened person's life also. After person get married, they are not happy because of a lot of problems. So choose always right one, always listen your heart, not people what say. People, what actually people say na, don't listen them. Don't listen. If you listen, you will be not happy. Thank you for watching my this video. And yeah, this is the cinematic video of my place. And yeah, I'm so happy today that I got my drone and I can make my videos more beautiful. So keep watching my videos and subscribe my this channel. I'll try to make more beautiful videos from vlogs, everything.